Brandon with MVF. We are installing our new center console hinge reinforcing bracket. We've been getting asked for something to solve this issue we have back here with this plastic breaking. Hardest part of this install is getting those out. That one came out pretty easy. They got to pinch in. Make sure you don't crack your plastic. Fits right on there. We're going to match drill 4 holes. Might have to mark them first. If your drill doesn't fit, this one does. Install our 4 quarter 20 bolts. Flange nuts. Tighten those down. Don't want to go too tight and crack your plastic. Really just kind of snugging those up. Drop our plastic back in. Now we're ready to put our top piece back on. Comes with new 832 bolts to fit into those 832 nut certs. And now you shouldn't break your plastic. Let us know what you think. We thought about doing a whole center console, but it would get kind of heavy and not sure if we'd sell enough, so thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll be giving away one of these brackets for free to somebody that subscribes this week. Thank you.